Counterspell, an autonomous detection engineer for Splunk. The work that used to take a security team a week, done in about 3 minutes. Every security operations center has the same bottleneck. Threats arrive faster than engineers can write detections for them, and the rules they do write are noisy, burying analysts in false alarms. Nobody has automated the hardest part, writing, testing, and tuning the detection itself. Counterspell changes that. You paste in a threat, a CVE, a threat intel report, a MITRE technique. Then 5 AI agents take over. They design a detection, generate a real attack to prove it fires, translate it to Splunk's search language, backtest it against 30 days of data, and tune the false positives out, on their own. Here's the team. The architect reads the threat and designs a tunable detection mapped to MITRE ATT&CK. The red team generates a synthetic attack and injects it through Splunk's HTTP event collector, a guaranteed true positive. The translator turns the design into runnable SPL. The validator, pure, deterministic Python, never a language model, backtests it and counts true and false positives. And the deployer writes the real detection in a runbook. This is the moment that matters. The first pass catches the attack, but also 47 benign events. The validator hands those false positives back to the architect, which tightens the rule. Watch the false positive count fall. 47, 12, 0. The attack still caught every time. No human touched this loop. And this is real Splunk integration, not a mock. Every backtest runs through the Splunk MCP server over an encrypted, scoped token. Because the validator scores results with deterministic Python, the false positive count is provable, never a language model guess. But does it really work, or did it just memorize the noise? Counterspell hides a second set of benign events the tuning loop never sees. The deployed rule fires on 0 of them. It learned the pattern, not the planted data. That's the question every judge asks, answered on screen. Nothing ships without a human. Counterspell pauses for approval, then deploys a real, scheduled saved search, enterprise security ready, with its own runbook. The agent only ever writes to the single Splunk index it's scoped to. Guardrails, not afterthoughts. Counterspell. From a threat description to a deployed, validated detection, in about 3 minutes. The autonomous detection engineer your society has been waiting for.